So if you're given an equation in point slope form, the first thing you're going to do is eliminate the parentheses up here. So you're going to eliminate these parentheses by distributing the 3/2 into the x and into the 2, and you get 3/2 x plus 3. And then you just simply have to get rid of that -4 and make it put it over here as a +4. So your final equation in slope-intercept form is 3/2 x plus 7, which means that the slope is 3/2 and the y-intercept is 7. So if I give you an equation in standard form where you have the x first, then the y, then the equal sign, then the plain number, you have to leave the y alone. So you first get rid of the -3x by crossing the bridge and making it a positive 3x. And then you divide everything by -4, and then you simplify. The y is alone now, because -4 divided by -4 is 1. And then you have -3/4. You always bring the negative sign upstairs if it's negative, and then -3. So your slope is -3/4 and -3.